cold start. And just like that, we are Cop Vic over here. Oreo. No, I want to go to. Oh, peeling out. Limited slip. Alright, she's gonna be for sale pretty soon. Well, she already is. 78,000 miles. I'm the second owner. First person. First owners are war veterans. About 80 or 90 years old now. White people. Houston car all its life. Baby garage kept, but as you see right here, I don't got no damn garage, so it is what it is. This one has also 78,000 miles, and I am also the second owner. I love it, man. Holla at y'all later. Peace.